Thank you for requesting more information about Listo Tax Solutions. Listo is currently looking to expand. Have you seen the people in costumes out waving signs from January to April trying to promote a tax office? Have you also noticed how many businesses suddenly become tax professionals during these months and offer tax preparation services? It is actually a very remarkable sight when you think about it. People dressed up in costumes, waving signs, celebrating tax filing. I don't know about you, but I don't normally celebrate the fact that I have to file a tax return. However, the reason you see so many offices pop up and try to get your business during these 4 short months is because the tax preparation business is a $10 billion industry. Did you know that the top 10% of the population currently pays 65% of the federal tax? Did you also know that 43% of the population pays no federal tax at all? That begs the question, if only 10% pay the majority of the federal tax, and 43% do not pay any federal taxes at all, then how can this be such a large business opportunity? First, most of us file a tax return every year. Even though almost everyone is required to file a tax return, not everyone has to pay tax. Some pay a lot of tax, others pay less tax, and some pay no tax at all. When you add all these groups together, you'll find a very large portion of the population filing tax returns, some of which are not even required to file. This is because not only do people file tax returns that are required to, but there's a very large portion that file tax returns by choice. Why would anyone file by choice? Well, there are a few very big reasons. The biggest reason is refunds. Low-income tax filers pay zero federal tax and do not need to file. But many of them qualify for refunds from the IRS. If they qualify for a refund, then they must file a tax return to get their refund back. Another reason for filing tax returns is immigration status. If someone wants to become a resident or citizen of the U.S., they must be current on their tax returns. As you can see, there is a huge market potential here. There are many other reasons someone may need to file a tax return. I haven't even scratched the surface with the bookkeeping, payroll, and consulting opportunities that Listo provides. Maybe you have heard of Obamacare or the Affordable Care Act. With current government restrictions getting tougher and tougher, the requirements on businesses for professional help are increasing.